Hello, my name is Ankana and today we have with us Ms. Vartika Saxena. Firstly, congratulations ma'am for winning this amazing prestigious award. How excited are you? I mean, how did you feel when you received the award from in front of so many people?
I would say it's really great because I was rewarded for all the hard work that I've put in these 2 years, and there were a lot of opportunities that I decided to take, and here it is the reward of it.
Right.
So yeah, it was pretty exciting.
So it was really a nice opportunity for you.
Definitely.
How was your life at BIMTech in this 2 years? How did you feel? What all did you did?
It was really great, and to put it into smaller words, it would be rewarding and transforming, because definitely there were times that I have been to Bangkok from the college, as in the HULT competition we represented BIMTech,
Right.
and a lot more things. I got an internship in Marsh, which is also a great part because it helped me to learn a lot, grow a lot, and definitely to transform. So yeah, it has been rewarding and transforming because I have been on this side of the table taking interviews, and now I'm here giving one, all because of this college.
Right.
So yeah.
That's amazing. So you just mentioned about HULT.
Yes.
So what takeaways did how would you summarize the takeaways that you learned from HULT?
So the first step of getting into HULT was taking initiative. We decided that we have to take part in it. We worked hard for it. There was a lot of research and everything that we did for it. So yeah, my takeaway from this whole journey, and HULT especially, don't hesitate. Go for it. Be a go-getter. So yeah, some big words but true.
That's so amazing. That's really amazing. And any special mentor who actually gave you the opportunity to be what you are today?
There are so many. I can't name one or two because everyone I have met here, all the faculty, they have been really helpful and kind.
Right.
So to name some, there's Rajiv sir.
Absolutely.
He has been there. I was a part of Presscom.
Okay.
So he has been there from the start. And Gayatri ma'am, she was my mentor like for the whole time, 2 years. Bose sir, Amarnath Bose sir, and a lot of them.
I
All
think
of them.
BIMTech is blessed with such good faculties, isn't it?
Definitely, because they don't just give you the knowledge that they have, but also there is a warmth in this campus with some
Absolutely.
faculties. So yeah,
Absolutely.
it's great.
So you're starting on a new journey
Definitely.
in your new company. So you had any work experience before this?
No, I was a fresher,
Okay.
and March was my internship from my
Okay.
college, and now I got I converted the PPO, and now I'll be the employee there.
Okay. And so how was your experience? How do you think you will perform there?
It was great because in the internship itself, there was a lot of things to learn.
Right.
It was a new field for me because I am from PGTM, and it was Marsh Insurance Brokers.
Right.
So it was a new field, but like there was a lot of learning, as I said. Everyone was so supportive as well, and with all their support and things that I've learned from my college and then the internship, it all came together and made me who I am.
Thank you so much for coming here and taking out your time. It was really amazing talking to you. I wish you all
Same
the
here.
best in your future.
Thank you so much.